can I help you?
Hello?
Yeah.
Who the fuck are you?
Hello?
I don't know you. You must know me. Who the fuck are you?
You must know me since you called my company.
Listen, who the fuck is this?
You tell me who's this.
Big fucking talk. Who the fuck is this?
Listen, boss.
What?
You calling over here? I suggest you stop cursing.
You must know me.
How I must know you if you call me, boss?
You got the right one.
Say it again?
Who the fuck is this?
Yo, boss, you call me, boss. You tell me. This is a business. You call me.
What?
This is a business. You called me.
What?
This is a business. You
Who
called
the fuck
me.
is this? Who the fuck are you?
Yo, dude, this is a fucking business. This is nothing. This is a business.
I don't know you. You must know me.
I remember you. You remember me?
Hello?
You remember me?
What?
You remember me?
What? Big fucking talk. Who the fuck is this?
You remember me?
Who the fuck is this?
You remember? You remember?
Who the fuck are you?
You remember? What's up? You remember? You remember? Ethan.
You know who you're fucking with. You know where you're fucking with.
Hi, sir. How you doing?
You
How
wanna
can I help
bounce
you,
with
sir?
us, bitch?
I'm sorry.
Your mother is a fucking whore.
I know that's nice, but how are you doing?
You
Are you
fucking
okay?
faggot.
You had a nice day.
Go fuck yourself.
You're very angry, sir. Why are you so angry?
You look like I'm a fucking faggot.
I don't know. Are you a fucking faggot?
And if you fuck around, you'll go to prison because you don't know who you're fucking with.
Oh, no. I went to prison before, my friend. He's not
Your
nice.
mother is a fucking whore, motherfucker.
Oh, your mother's a whore?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Yo, you got problems, my friend.
Come over here.
Come over where? You come here.
This is a fucking workplace, you cocksucker.
This is my workplace, too, you cocksucker.
This is a workplace, bitch. Where am I?
I don't know. Where are you?
The fucking police will be all over your ass, fucking bitch.
Oh, police. Woo woo. 5-0.
Faggot.
Oh, sir. Don't use profanity here. Say it
Dirty ass
nice.
bitch.
You're supposed to say it nice.
Dirty ass bitch.
Your mother's a dirty ass bitch.
Your mother is a fucking whore.
Oh, sir, we spoke about this. Say it nice.
Huh?
Sir,
What you say?
Did you eat today?
Yeah.
I'm about to take some food from my coworker, so I'm gonna let you go.
You're gonna come rob us? We ain't scared of nobody, bro.
No. Me no kill you, my friend. Me no kill you. God kills you.
I got your number and call collect. I'll give it to the boss tomorrow morning.
Okay. When you give them the number, tell them if they want a car.
I got your number.
Okay, I got yours too. Ha ha.
I don't know no fucking body about you, so fuck you, bro.
What the fuck?
You calling me, come on, I got your fucking number.